8 foods seniors should eat before bed to support eye health naturally. Seniors, what if the secret to healthier eyes and better vision wasn't in expensive supplements or fancy treatments, but right in your kitchen? Every year, billions are spent on glasses, eye drops, and costly procedures, while the big companies profit. Meanwhile, simple natural solutions go unnoticed. You may have been told that blurry nights, dry eyes, or cloudy mornings are just part of aging. But that's not entirely true. Science now shows that certain foods eaten before bedtime can help your eyes repair themselves while you sleep. And the best part? These are foods most seniors already have access to. Vision loss isn't just frustrating, it can be dangerous. Reading becomes harder, night driving turns stressful, and even daily activities can feel risky. But adding the right foods to your evening routine could make a real difference. In this video, we're ranking 8 powerful foods that support eye health from least to most effective. By the end, you'll know exactly what to eat tonight to help protect and repair your eyes naturally. Number 8. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are loaded with a unique type of beta-carotene that your body turns into vitamin A, especially during sleep. Just 1 cup provides 21,000 IU of vitamin A. Eating a steamed or baked sweet potato about 90 minutes before bed, ideally with a small amount of healthy fat like coconut oil, helps your eyes regenerate the protein that improves night vision. Tip: bake with the skin on for maximum benefit. Avoid microwaving, it reduces the nutrients. Number 7. Wild-caught salmon. Wild salmon contains omega-3 fatty acids and astaxanthin, which help repair your retina while you sleep. These compounds replace damaged cells and protect your eyes from blue light. For best results, eat a small portion a couple of hours before bed, lightly seasoned and baked, not overcooked. Tip: stick to wild salmon, not farmed, to get the highest nutrient content. Number 6. Goji berries. Goji berries are rich in zeaxanthin, a compound that builds a protective shield in your eyes. Consuming them before bedtime can help reduce age-related damage. Soak them or mix them into yogurt for optimal absorption. Tip: avoid pairing with green tea or coffee, which can block nutrient uptake. Number 5. Organic egg yolks. Egg yolks from pasture-raised chickens provide lutein and zeaxanthin in highly absorbable forms. Eating 1 or 2 yolks before bed helps strengthen your macula, improve contrast sensitivity, and reduce glare. Tip: cook gently and pair with a healthy fat like butter to enhance nutrient absorption. Number 4. Bilberries. Bilberries contain anthocyanins that support night vision and help regenerate light-sensitive cells in your eyes. Consuming fresh or lightly mashed berries before bed can improve retinal health and visual clarity. Tip: avoid citrus or vitamin C at the same time, which can reduce effectiveness. Number 3. Black currants. These berries are packed with vitamin C, anthocyanins, and omega-6 fatty acids that target eye tissue repair while you sleep. Eat them slightly crushed with a small portion of full-fat dairy to maximize absorption. Number 2. Saffron. Saffron contains compounds that can support regeneration of retinal cells. Steeping a few threads in warm milk or almond milk before bed allows your body to absorb these compounds during sleep. Tip: keep the temperature moderate and use high-quality saffron for the best effect. Number 1. Raw cacao. Raw cacao is packed with flavonols that increase blood flow to your retina and support the production of new cells. Mix with warm milk and a pinch of cinnamon or cayenne pepper before bed for optimal absorption. Tip: avoid processed cocoa, use certified organic raw cacao for full benefits. Adding even one of these foods to your nightly routine can help protect your vision, and using them consistently may support noticeable improvements over time. Start with the top 3 and gradually include the others as your body adjusts. Comment below, which of these foods do you already eat? Have you noticed a difference in your vision with diet changes? We read and respond to every comment. Thanks for watching, and here's to healthier eyes naturally.